This is a papaya tree. Yeah. So one of my neighbors gave me this little papaya tree. I planted it, and this, of course, is transplant shock. So how I'm going to attempt to save this little tree is I'm going to take all of these dead leaves off. And, if I don't take them off, then this little tree is definitely just going to die, right? So, I'm going to help her out. And now this is the way she looks. I'm leaving this green on the top. And I will check back with you all and see the growth of this baby. When you take the dead leaves off, now she could focus on making leaves and not saving leaves. Let's go, Mama. So today's date is October 24. This is day 3 of the papaya tree. Yeah. This is day 5. And this is the way it's looking. You have some growth here. In there. See, she's doing it. Today is day 7, and this is the papaya tree. Yeah. And this is the way she's looking. I think she's gonna be all right. Yeah, she's gonna be all right. All right, family.